other side. Make sure the posture is alright. Head up. Okay. And keep your stance. Okay. Like this. So after this contact training is good enough, we can give some more force and do some more, initiate some attack from outside, like this, and the palm. You can do a little bit of circling hand to train up the sensitivity. Make sure the movement is not very fast. You must feel the action of the opponent. Chi Sao means sticking hand training. Okay, it divides into 3 stages. The first stage, okay, this is a beginner who has just learned all the Siu Tao and the Chom Kyu, and we can start some Chi Sao training. Like this. This is the single hand Chi Sao. So like this, and then punch. Okay. So it's a single hand. Make sure the elbow position is good and it's action reaction. Okay. So you don't have to do very fast. Like this. So he's doing very good. Okay, and then we can do on the outside. Chom Sao and then punch. Make sure the bong sao coming out. Almost more than 130 degrees. Bong sao and the wrist is very relaxed. Okay, and then Tang Sao like this, and then hit like this. Once more. Hit. Okay, so once the student learns about the single hand, we can go to the second stage, the double hand Chi Sao. Like this. So make sure the elbow is coming in. This elbow should be coming in, okay, and sinking down. Very slow. And then to a palm, and to a circling hand. And you can come out again. Like this. So this is the second stage. So the student learned how to control the opponent's hand and also protect himself. Okay, make sure the bong sao comes out. Okay, like this. Very good. Okay. Okay, do a palm. Yes, very good. Okay, and then we go to the first stage. So we start some go sao, means doing some attack and defense motion. Like this. So, like this, and then. Okay, you try. And start a little bit of sparring. Come in, come in. Come in. Yes, very good. Okay, so today we will stop here. Okay, make sure in Wing Chun the Chi Sao is getting you into a higher level. So your arm skills is important, but your sensitivity and all the defense and attack is also very important. Thank you.